Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to array. So to array in Archicad, we can use the multiple tools. So as example, you can insert objects, and the next you can select the object, click on the point, and then you can click the multiple tools. So here like I will use the drag option and use increment and spread with vertical displacement 5. Click OK, and then we can click the object, move to the right, click. Now we can duplicate or array the object. Another example, I will select again this object, click on the point, use the multiply, and then we use the same option, click OK, and you can click again, move to the top to create a rectangular array. Okay, for the polar, like I will move this object into here. You can select again the object, click on the point, use the multiply, click rotate. So we'll use this increment spread with 5 and then rotate to path, click OK. Now for the center point, I will click here, center point, and then the object from this point. Now you can move, like click at this point angle and create again to create the polar pattern. You also can use the distribute tools to create the array. Like we create line, and then you can select the object. Like I will select this object, go to edit, click distribute, and then use special distribute. Use a bounding block anchor with the center point, and then distribute input, click on exiting edge, click OK, and I will select this line so the object will be moved to the line. Also same for the circle. I will select this object and then go to edit, distribute, use special distribute, click OK, and then you can select the circle to apply. So that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to array.